Hello, good morning. My name is Lance Liam Chumosky, and for today's video ay naglakad-lakad lang tayo dyan sa ating view para makita, pero we're on the middle middle of sailing, so hindi mo nakikita yung mga mountains and everything. So nasa gitna tayo ng dagat at nagsisail at this point in time para meron tayong i-content. So picture muna tayo. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. Have a nice day. And this is Lance Liam Chomosky. All right. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. From Seattle, bye to